Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you 5 iPhone settings you should turn off right now to protect your privacy, save battery, and make phone run smoother. Let's get started. Open up Settings application. Inside here, scroll below, then tap on Privacy and Security. Then inside here, scroll below again, and then simply tap on Analytics and Improvements. Just like that, inside here, tap on Analytics Data. This shows info being shared with Apple. Go back and turn off all toggles here. This will stop Apple from collecting your users' data and helps keep your activity private. After that, head back. And then inside here, you need to go ahead and simply tap on Location Services. Set most app to while using or never. Only keep always for essentials like map. Scroll down and then tap on System Services. Turn off things like location-based ads or suggestions. Then tap on Significant Location and Routes, and then turn it off again. This stops your phone from constantly tracking your movements. After that, head back to Settings. Now inside Settings, go ahead and simply tap on General. Scroll below, tap on Background App Refresh. Now tap the option, and just like that, select Wi-Fi or off. This prevents app from updating in the background, saving both battery and data. And that's it. Turning these 5 settings off will make your iPhone faster, safer, and more private. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.